In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find rewards and wallet on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to locate your travel credits, how to check their expiration, and how to use them on your next trip. First, a quick overview so the page you're looking for makes sense. Rewards and Wallet is the part of your Booking.com account that holds wallet credits you've earned through promotions or past bookings. Think of it as a balance you can spend on future reservations. From there, you can see how much credit you have, when it expires, and where it can be used across stays, flights, rental cars, attractions, and more. If you receive a coupon code, this is also where you redeem it, so it turns into usable wallet credit. Credits usually appear after you complete eligible stays, so if you just checked out, give it a little time for the reward to post. Now let's get to the exact steps on a desktop browser. Open your browser and go to Booking.com. Sign into your account using the button at the top right. Once you're signed in, click your profile icon in the same top right area to open the account menu. From that drop-down, choose Rewards and Wallet. This takes you straight to your wallet page. Here, you can view your available credits, see any pending rewards, and check expiration dates so you don't miss out. When you make a new booking, eligible credits will appear as a payment option during checkout, and you can apply them before you confirm. If you want to jump there directly, you can also type the official page into your address bar. https://www.booking.com/wallet. HTML. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in, and then you'll land on the same wallet page. A few helpful tips while you're there. If credits aren't showing, make sure you're logged into the same account you used for the qualifying booking. Some rewards only apply to specific services or regions, so check the terms listed next to your credit. Credits generally can't be withdrawn as cash. They're designed to be spent on eligible bookings. If you have a coupon code, look for the Redeem or Add Code option on the wallet page and apply it there so it converts into wallet balance. Also, note any currency conversions that may occur if your wallet and booking are in different currencies. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently find your rewards and wallet, track your balance and expiration, and put your credits to work on your next trip.